Your self-doubt does not define who you are or what you are capable of. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. The African proverb, "When there is no enemy within, the enemy outside can do you no harm," highlights the power of a strong mind. It emphasizes that self-doubt is the greatest obstacle one can face. If you refuse to let doubts infiltrate your mind, external judgments and opinions will have no impact on you. The belief in oneself is paramount. The opinions of others cannot shape your destiny unless you allow them to. To achieve your dreams, you must be prepared to fight significant battles. Now, here are your armors to fight your self-doubt. Number 1, confidence and courage. There are external enemies, people who do not believe in you or try to bring you down. There are intimate enemies, those close to you who may unintentionally discourage you or impose their limitations on you. However, the most formidable foe is the internal enemy, the doubts and fears that reside within your mind. These internal battles involve confronting voices that tell you that you are not good enough, that you are unworthy, or that you cannot succeed. These internal voices can inflict immense pain, often more than any external source. They can make you feel hopeless and overwhelmed, leading to a sense of worthlessness and a belief that your efforts are futile. This internal struggle can be likened to having a terrorist within your soul, constantly undermining your self-worth and determination. However, the key to overcoming this internal enemy is learning to control and direct your mind. By creating a compelling vision for your future, you can transform these internal voices into sources of motivation rather than despair. This future should be one that you are proud to achieve and eager to live through. By fostering a strong and positive internal dialogue, you can shift the narrative from doubt and fear to confidence and determination. Ultimately, the greatest challenge anyone faces is overcoming their own conditioned thoughts and fears. By mastering your mind and refusing to let internal doubts take control, you empower yourself to resist external negativity and pursue your dreams with unwavering resolve. The journey to self-belief and mental strength is difficult, but it is the foundation upon which all other successes are built. When you believe in yourself, you no longer need validation from others, and you can shape your own fate with confidence and courage. Number 2, keep moving forward. Age, past experiences, mistakes, and background don't matter. You have the power to rewrite your story. Most people focus on the short term, like the next month's goals, or at best an annual plan. However, truly great leaders and entrepreneurs think long term. For instance, Toyota has a 100-year business plan. While no one can guarantee they'll be around for a century, the mere fact that they're thinking on such a scale influences their current decision-making in profound ways. Believing in yourself and your desired outcomes is more crucial than your actual abilities. Your ability to envision your success is more important than any tangible skill you might have. If you're going to fail, fail forward. At least you're making progress. When you are passionate about your vision, nothing can deter you. It doesn't matter what others say or think. Their opinions should not stop you. Often, people around us don't hold us accountable or set high expectations, and over time we internalize this lack of ambition. But now you know better. You can't go back and claim ignorance about the challenges ahead. Instead, keep pushing forward, knowing that you can shape your destiny despite any setbacks or doubts. The ability to believe in yourself and your vision is the cornerstone of achievement. Even when you lack confidence, borrowing faith from those who believe in you can be a powerful motivator. Remember, many focus only on short-term gains, but to truly succeed, you need to look further ahead. By doing so, you will make better decisions now that pave the way for future success. Stay committed to your goals, maintain your vision, and keep moving forward no matter what. Number 3, don't quit. It acknowledges that many people find themselves in the darkest of times facing overwhelming challenges. However, in these moments, hope is essential. Beautiful things can emerge from our broken pieces if we give ourselves a chance. It's okay to feel fear and to cry, but giving up should never be an option. No matter how dire the situation may seem, or what negative feedback you receive from others, it is not the end. Life can be turned around, no matter how much you have messed up. You can face severe setbacks like multiple divorces or lack of formal education and still find success. The key message is that your past does not define your future. Your best days are ahead of you, and everything you are going through now is preparing you for the future you have envisioned. The process you are in, no matter how painful or confusing, is necessary. Although it might not make sense now, once you come through the other side, you will understand why it happened the way it did. It's crucial to hold yourself together during this process because it's a part of your growth and preparation. As long as you wake up each morning, there is still purpose and potential in your life. When the urge to give up becomes strong, the message is clear. Don't. Even when you feel defeated, you must keep pushing forward. The opinions of others who doubt your abilities or tell you that you won't make it do not matter. Persistence is key. Rejection, failure, and setbacks are part of the journey, but they are not the end. If no one shows up for your meetings or if you face constant rejection, continue to pursue your dreams. The true test comes when everything seems against you. Even when you face multiple failures and it seems like no one believes in you, the determination to keep going is what leads to eventual success. Keep reviewing your dreams daily, hold on to the vision of your future, and remind yourself that it's not over until you win. Success and a fulfilling life come to those who are relentless in their pursuit and refuse to give up, no matter the circumstances. That's it, my friend. Good luck to your journey. Remember, conquer yourself with goodness. Subscribe to our channel.